This is where raw power is born. Not in silence, not in simplicity, but in a symphony of steel, fire, precision, and relentless innovation. This is the birthplace of America's most iconic truck, a machine that has dominated roads, job sites, and imaginations for decades. The Ford F-150 is not just assembled. It is engineered, forged, and perfected through one of the most advanced manufacturing processes on Earth. It begins with something deceptively simple. Massive coils of high-strength aluminum, tightly wound, cold, lifeless, waiting. Each coil holds the potential to become something extraordinary. As they unroll, feeding into gigantic stamping machines, the transformation begins instantly. Thousands of tons of force crash down in perfect rhythm, shaping metal into doors, hoods, fenders, and panels with microscopic precision. Every curve, every edge, every contour is calculated to deliver not just strength, but aerodynamic efficiency and aggressive design. This is not ordinary metal. The use of military-grade aluminum changed everything. Lighter, stronger, more efficient. It redefined what a full-size truck could be. And in this moment, under the crushing force of industrial giants, the DNA of the F-150 starts to take form. Then comes the choreography of machines. Hundreds of robotic arms come alive in perfect synchronization, moving with a speed and accuracy that feels almost unreal. Sparks explode in every direction as welding points fuse the structure together. This is where separate panels become a unified body, where the skeleton of the truck gains its strength. Precision is everything. Even the smallest misalignment could compromise performance, so advanced laser-guided systems ensure perfection down to fractions of a millimeter. There is no hesitation here. Every movement is calculated, every weld is intentional, every second matters. The body rises from nothing into something unmistakable. You can now see it. The stance, the presence, the unmistakable identity of the Ford F-150. But raw structure is only the beginning. What follows is one of the most advanced and controlled processes in the entire automotive world. The paint shop, a place where perfection is not optional, it is mandatory. The body is submerged in anti-corrosion baths, electrically charged to ensure every surface, even the unseen, is protected. This is where durability begins, where the truck prepares to face years of harsh conditions, extreme weather, and relentless use. Layer by layer, the finish is applied. Primer for protection, base coat for color, clear coat for that deep, reflective shine that defines a premium machine. Robots handle this process with flawless consistency, spraying each layer with precision no human hand could ever match. The result is a surface so smooth, so perfect, it reflects the world like a mirror. This is not just paint. It is identity. It is presence. It is the first impression that commands attention on any road. And then, the heart. The powertrain. This is where raw engineering meets performance. Engines are assembled with extreme care, each component fitted with exacting standards. Whether it is the turbocharged EcoBoost V6, the legendary V8, or the advanced hybrid system, every engine represents a balance of power, efficiency, and durability. Bolts are tightened with digital precision tools, ensuring exact torque every single time. No guesswork, no margin for error. These engines are tested before they ever meet the truck, pushed, analyzed, verified. Because when this machine hits the road, it is expected to perform without compromise. Then comes one of the most satisfying moments in the entire process. The marriage. This is where everything comes together. The fully painted body meets the chassis, the engine, the suspension, the drivetrain. In a single, perfectly timed operation, the truck transforms from separate systems into a complete machine. This is the moment it becomes real. From here, the transformation accelerates. The interior begins to take shape, turning raw engineering into human experience. Wiring harnesses snake through the structure, connecting every sensor, every system, every feature. The dashboard is installed, bringing with it advanced digital displays, infotainment systems, and control interfaces that define the modern driving experience. Seats are fitted, wrapped in premium materials, designed for both comfort and durability. Every stitch, every surface, every texture is crafted to elevate the experience. This is where utility meets luxury, where a workhorse becomes a refined machine capable of handling both rugged terrain and daily life with equal confidence. Technology comes alive in this phase. Massive touchscreens, intelligent driver assist systems, connectivity features that turn the truck into more than just a vehicle. It becomes a command center, a mobile office, a powerhouse of innovation. And still, the process continues. Wheels are mounted, Fluids are added, lights are installed, each one calibrated for maximum visibility and style. Badges are placed, marking the identity of the truck, signaling its capability and trim level to the world. Software is uploaded, transforming hardware into intelligence. Sensors are calibrated with extreme precision, ensuring that every safety system, every assist feature, every digital function operates flawlessly. This is where the truck becomes smart, responsive, aware. Then comes the moment of truth. Quality control. Every truck is tested, inspected, analyzed. Water tests simulate heavy rain, ensuring no leaks. Brake systems are checked for perfect response. Alignment is verified. The engine is started, its sound echoing as a confirmation of everything that came before. There are no shortcuts here. No compromises. Every detail is examined, every system validated. Advanced cameras and AI systems scan for imperfections invisible to the human eye. Because excellence is not optional. It is expected. And then, it happens. The truck rolls off the line. Fully assembled, fully tested, ready to face the world. What started as raw metal has become something far greater. A machine built to endure, to perform, to dominate. Every few moments, another one follows. A continuous flow of power, precision, and innovation. Each one slightly different, customized, configured, built for a specific purpose, a specific driver, a specific mission. This is not just manufacturing. This is a relentless pursuit of perfection. A process refined over decades, constantly evolving, constantly improving. It is the reason why the Ford F-150 has remained at the top, year after year, generation after generation. Because this truck is not built by accident. It is built by design, by engineering, by a system that combines human expertise with robotic precision in a way that defines modern industry. And when it finally leaves the factory, it carries with it everything that went into its creation. The force of the stamping machines, the precision of the robots, the perfection of the paint, the power of the engine, the intelligence of the technology, the craftsmanship of the interior. It carries a legacy of strength, of reliability, of dominance. This is the Ford F-150. Not just a truck, a machine forged in one of the most advanced factories in the world. Built to work harder, last longer, and push further than anything that came before. And this is how legends are made.